Hello everyone and welcome to the episode 60 of Form Guru series by MakeForms. Today I will show you how you can actually protect your account by enabling two-factor authentication. So two-factor authentication is really important because if you, let's say, want to ensure that apart from username, password, login details, there should be another second level authentication wherein once that is available only to you. So that is where two-factor authentication comes into picture, because many a times it is possible that your email gets hacked, or someone has access to your username and password and they try to log into your MakeForms account. In such a case, if you do not have a two-factor authentication enabled, they can literally have access to your entire data. So we'll quickly see how you can enable two-factor authentication. So to enable them, you will go to the settings page and you can see that in your profile section, you have something called as two-factor authentication. You will turn this on, and now as soon as you do that, it says that it seems that you are logged in for quite some time. Please log out and log in again to enable two-factor authentication. This is to ensure that you are like this is the thing that is with our provider. So I will now log into my account. Mm, and now let's go to our settings page and then enable the two-factor authentication. So now here you can see that it asks gives you a QR code, and so you have to open your Authenticator app and scan this QR code. And as soon as you do that, your thing will be registered on your mobile, and now you will get a new authentication code on your Authenticator app. So I will just enter that and I will hit authenticate. And now as soon as I do that, you can see that my two-factor authentication is enabled. Now I may want to see, and as soon as it's done perfectly, you will get an option that says your account and has been updated with TOTP enrollment for two-step verification. So this is how you can enable two-step verification, also known as 2FA, on your MakeForms account. What we will do now is we will log out and we will see how does this work. So I will sign in again, and here it should ask me for the authentication code. So now I will go to my Authenticator app, search for this user authenticate, and now I have access to the my MakeForms account. So now you can see that uh, if someone somehow gets hold of your email address, they can literally go in to your MakeForms account. But if you have two-factor authentication enabled, it's impossible to do that, because you have to enter the OTP that you receive on your Authenticator app. So this is how, guys, you can safeguard your MakeForms account with two-factor authentication. So I think that's it for today, guys. This was the new feature that I wanted to show you. And if you have any questions, or if you want to know more about any kind of forms, or if you have any specific requirements when it comes to form, please let me know in the comments below and I will try to answer them in my upcoming episodes. We are almost reaching 60 episodes. So and I think I've covered almost everything that was related to make forms. So if you have any new, like different types of forms that you want to me to build, please feel free to do that. That's it, guys. Thank you for joining us today. Pratik here from MakeForms.